Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, welcome back in. Let's talk about the hot topics of the weekend here. Weather-wise, scattered rain showers are going to be possible, but despite that, we're going to still feel like 100 plus. More scorching heat is on the way early next week. We are looking for the relief. Where could it be? It's coming in later next week. I'll show you that in just a minute here once we get through the rest of this weekend's details. Home view wide open, nice and sunny in most parts. A couple of pop-up clouds coming your way. Temperatures are near or into the low 90s for many. Just a couple spots hanging into the upper 80s, but the heat index still feeling like triple digits in many locations. 97 in Lexington, Mount Sterling 100, Somerset 100, and Frankfort at 101. With dew points that are in the low to mid 70s again. Very, very muggy conditions out there for us, and it's going to stay that way as we roll through the weekend. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 70s for some. We go into the low 90s both Saturday and Sunday, and there's a hit or miss chance each day for some scattered thunderstorm activity that we'll have to watch for. But before that, we have our heat advisory being extended for those counties to the northwest and sort of wrapping all around the Fox 56 viewing area. We're just not quite getting hot enough to boost those feels-like temperatures well into the 100s, not even getting close to the 108 mark for the most part. Close to the high heat impact. It's going to be a moderate impact, especially for sensitive groups, but still feeling like 102, 103 in the peak of the afternoon because our dew points are staying in the oppressive category Saturday, Sunday, and really as we reach into next week too. It's not going to be till later in the week that we get a break from that. As far as rain showers and thunderstorm opportunities go, we've got a few little sprouting storms coming up. One in Bourbon County now, a couple more to our south, and some cloud cover coming from that. But I think most of us stay dry once again. Very unlucky if you're getting hit by those showers, because as we roll into the weekend, the chances are get a little bit better for everybody. This little stationary front sort of teeter-totters over the region here, and as it does, it's going to spark some storm chances for us into tomorrow. Waking up to the day, partly cloudy, maybe even mostly cloudy at times. Couple spotty showers in the mix. Better chances start early afternoon and all the way through the evening as the peak heat of the day starts to give us some instability and these little pockets pop up for us. Can't guarantee you any storms here because it's just too sporadic and too boiling pot of water like as we go through our Saturday. Basically, a rinse and repeat into Sunday too. You can see scattered activity picks up better in the afternoon and into the evening, and then as we get into the overnights and the peak heat of the day starts to fade, that's when we'll see our chances for rain diminish pretty quick. Here's the good part for you though as we go into next week. There's our superheat, but as we get into the later parts of the week, seasonable temperatures return. We got to get through Wednesday before we get that relief. That cold front's going to knock us down to near or maybe even below average. We could hold on to that through the first full week of August. Below average trend coming our way here to give us a little relief, a little break from that heat. But for now, it's all about the heat. It's all about the scattered storms. Keep an eye on the sky. Have your radar handy as we go through the weekend.